Hey guys, what's going on? Pete here. We hit 1,000 subscribers, and kind of as my appreciation, I know you guys like it. It's one of my most watched videos, launch control. So I'm going to show you guys the new launch control feature. Now it's kind of just like the old one, however the RPMs are raised, and now the clutch can actually hold all of the power of stage 2, and I feel less bad about kind of thrashing through the gears. So it's a little sketchy how we're gonna do this, but we have no one coming that way, so I think it's a matter of that way. All right, so I'm just gonna get in that lane, and then we're gonna engage some launch control. All right, we got no one coming. Guys ready? Oh, that was such a bog. I didn't want to go through with it, guys. That's the problem. The clutch, it gives you all of the power, and in a sense, you know, I feel like that's problematic. I mean, it's better than slipping the clutch, but at the same time, it goes. And this thing, it's a little bit cold out. We have 54 degrees. That's what I'm reading right now, and yeah, I don't know. This thing just wants to spin. So I guess we'll try one more. We'll try with traction on, because if you guys are unfamiliar with this tune now allows the launch control feature to be enabled as a traction on. So I can leave traction on and I can do launch control and the car will launch, which as before it wouldn't engage launch control with traction control on. So now we're gonna do a traction off, and we'll see how she grips. I know I'm gonna be robbed a little bit of power, but oh, that's just fine. It's better than lighting up the tires, I suppose, right? Oh my gosh, that was such a launch. Holy cow. That was one of the most solid launches ever. This car, it really held its power. I didn't get torque limiter, it was just pure power. Now keep in mind, guys, I am driving the car in manual mode as opposed to sport auto. So we are, you know, this is all me driving. And of course the car over, I mean, that was foot to the floor. This thing really hooked up. I'm impressed by that launch. I think with better tires, I could potentially do a traction off launch, but you know, it's just gonna light them up. And I do have all seasons, and you guys know the idea about all season tires. It just, you know, forget about it when it comes to launches. But yeah, that was pretty much that. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. We're at 1,000 subscribers, as I mentioned before, and I can't thank you guys enough for, especially the guys who have been here kind of a really long time. I know people watching even now have been watching since day one, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. That support really, I mean, it goes to show. It helps me out, and you guys can definitely pat yourselves on the back, because I mean, your endless support keeps me going and keeps these videos coming, and I absolutely love doing it. So anyway, look at this beautiful view. This is a great way to end the video. Thank you guys again for this 1,000 subscribers. It's awesome. This is such a mark for my channel, and here's to another 1,000. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.